So here we are at BP northbound, and we're going on a motorcycle weekend. All right. So I bought this new bike rack. Now when I was in Melbourne I had the proper Moto one, the original, and it was awesome. This one I think is a cheap copy and I'm a little concerned about it. Just to have a look how loose it is. So look at that. Look how much the bike moves. But I've tied her onto the rack as well. I don't know, we'll just see how we go. It's only a couple of 100 kilometres, so it'll be right, mate. Should be fine. Just waiting for Garcia to turn up, and then we're heading off to Lancelin in the sand dunes. So should be a good weekend. Got a couple of other fellas coming up as well. So yeah, all right.